with us Mr. Anandan sir, who's the founder of India Turns Pink, who's doing a lot of initiative to create breast awareness campaign. So I would like to hear it from him. What exactly is the driving force behind this great initiative? Yes, sir. You can address our viewers.
Yeah, good morning everybody. We are doing breast cancer awareness campaign across India. This initiative we started by 2010 in the name of Chennai Turns Pink. Slowly we launch all the districts, each district turns pink concept. After that we launched in other states also. After that actually we decided the one name has to be there in all the turns pink districts or states, everything. So that's why we coined the name 2016 as India Turns Pink. After that we started India Turns Pink working towards this breast cancer awareness drive across India. Especially we are target audiences college students, school students especially. We give the training for them, breast self-examination training and then awareness session and then rural screening program also we are conducting. After this one, 2016 we started airport turns pink concept. First we initially launched in Chennai airports, Namma Chennai airport turns pink. After that we launched all the airports in Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry and Andhra Pradesh. After that we entered into Sirdi airport also. Last time we launched in Goa also. This airport turns pink, especially we conducted in the airport. We decorated entire airport in pink colors, balloons, and then we decorated items, everything. After information messages will be there, standees will be there. So all the things it will be noticed to the government officials and then all the VIPs. They are crossing the via the airport, so they have to see this one. And then especially the policy makers also want to see this one. So that is why the airport is most important place, happening place that we conducted that there in the airport turns pink. The reason behind this, this is the reason for the airport turns pink concept. So slowly we are going to, this year we are planning nearly 20 airports across the nation along with the Airport Authority of India and then Kalyan. Now we are moving to Adani airports also. So everybody, actually there is no government or private anyone, there is no any restriction for this one. 2018 we actually we conducted a first event in the Parliament of India. So Parliament turns pink. So we planned that time we connect all the women MPs towards this cause. At least they have to do the constituency, breast cancer free constituency. Actually, that is the concept we introduced to them. And then at that time, the Smitra Magajan, the Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha, she only accepted this drive and then we launched it there in Parliament. We conducted a screening camp for the women MPs and then Lok Sabha members, everyone. So this drive, this year also we are planning to do the same thing in Rajya Sabha. So this is the drive. Actually, its most important thing is nowadays the breast cancer cases very much high, especially the younger. Last year the WHO census shows age group of women, the 20 to 40 age group of women will be more affected regarding actually these breast cancer diseases. So that is very alarming situation for us. Not only the India, actually this is a global scenario. Across the globe, first death rate due to cardiac arrest. Second one is breast cancer. This is the very alarming one. So we only solution is the early diagnosis and awareness is most important for the women's community. That is why India Turns Pink taking this in two initiative, awareness and then early diagnosis, especially for the screening part.
What is your future directions? How do you want to take it further? Limiting it to India alone, or you're planning to take it to international?
Yeah, actually we are planning to international also. International Turns Pink will be there. Actually we are planning to launch 2-3 countries this one. Already Women Cancer Organization, they are associating with us. 2-3 countries are there. But actually we are planning to launch in this first initially international airports. After that only we are going to conduct our collaboration with any organization in that country.
Thank you very much for addressing our viewers, and we wish you all the best for this great initiative, and we express our solidarity with this particular cause, and we are sure that like people would understand the importance of such a great cause, and you will all would be extending your support to India Turns Pink. Thank you very much and all the very best.
Thank you.
We have with us Ma'am Jayashree ma'am, who is the General Secretary for India Turns Pink. And ma'am, would you like to address our viewers and tell a few words about India Turns Pink and its initiatives? And how would you would like to address our viewers? What exactly would you like to tell them? Few words.
Sure. Thank you for this opportunity. The organization India Turns Pink has been about 2 decades now, and we have been doing a lot of awareness program, breast cancer awareness specifically. And we are a pan-India organization. Way back in 1986, this was started by getting the blessings from Sri Shankaracharya from Kanchipuram. We have been penetrating into a lot of rural towns and villages and also cities. And our feather in the cap is we have always been associated with the airports across Pan India. Through their corporate social responsibility, Kalyan Mai, we have been conducting awareness camps. And to highlight an important event, we have also conducted an event for the Lok Sabha under the leadership of our Speaker Srimati Sumitra Mahajan, where we had conducted an awareness program and also the screening program for their lady staff. Similarly, at Pondicherry, through our Lieutenant Governor Kiran Bedi, we have done a very good penetration in that town, and our mission of India Turns Pink is to have a breast cancer-free India by year 2030. We have a very dedicated team, and we also have a lot of women ambassadors across India, and we also have a lot of gynecologists and doctors on our panel. And our mission is only this: to eradicate the breast cancer for women, not only for rural women but also for corporates and all high profile working women who don't have time to understand and address their breast cancer issues. We also have breast cancer self-examination procedures where we teach as to how they should do their examination day on day, once or twice a day, because we believe prevention is better than cure. And breast cancer is the only cancer where it can be prevented if detected early. So women, please come forward and support us in this noble cause. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for extending, one welcome to our viewers also. And we really wish all the success for India Turns Pink, and let the numbers of ambassadors and volunteers increase and reach out to as many women as possible. Thank you very much. Hi all, we have with us Sangeeta. And Sangeeta, really happy to see you, and she's one of the organizers from India Turns Pink. Sangeeta, can you address our viewers on what exactly is the kind of things that you would like to share with our viewers when it comes to breast cancer awareness, and how this program you're taking it and making it reach out to people? Can you just share with our viewers?
Hi everyone, very good morning to all. Very good morning to all, and this is Sangeeta from Organizing Secretary of India Turns Pink. I've been working with them for almost more than 10 years with them, and we are creating an awareness wherever we can do it. So the one thing what we want to just convey with everyone is everyone should be aware of this breast cancer and how they have to come over, where they have to open, where they have to meet their doctors, and we used to guide and we used to make them to know about what the things is happening. So we are not only doing it in Chennai, we are doing it wherever it is required. We go and visit the hospitals. We used to ask somebody to make them help for something, whatever they needed, and we do refer doctors. And many things we are doing for a long.
What is assistance you are giving to people to come out and then get this particular kind of evaluation, which you say like breast self-evaluation and those kinds of things? Like, how are you making the people come forward? What are the actual steps instead of workshops and other things? You have pink ribbon walks also,
Yes.
if I am right. So can you tell them that how exactly you have inculcated that kind of spirit and spearheading excellence to the people? So what are the main steps taken by India Turns Pink?
See, main step first, the awareness helps many people to know about where they have to go and what is happening. Many people are not coming forward to talk about. They need some personal assistant to talk and have some counselings or anything. So after the counseling, what we do is we help them to do some breast screening facilities, and wherever we can make it, we can just refer the doctors and hospitals. They can go and do. So people directly come forward and have some counselings with us, and they talk openly, and we will make them helpful in many ways. So if they need some money, or if they need some funds, or observations or something else. So we used to provide them in many ways.
And what are your future plans for as far as taking this initiative more to the people?
So see, many are not being ready to spend their money, and they are from poor family. They are not ready. They are suffering a lot. So what we have been planned, we have to do some screening campaign everywhere. So not only the awareness campaign, we have to give some guidance to the people. So this is what is we are planning for the next future upcoming years. So that is what we started doing at Bhutan everywhere, and we need to come forward. And with the useful of the awareness, they can have some ideas about it, and they can come forward with us.
So we wish you all the best.
Yes,
Thank you very much for addressing our audience, and thank you very much and all the best. With us, Sneha Mohandas, who is organizing this grand event on breast cancer awareness, India Turns Pink. So let us hear it from Sneha, what she actually would like to share with us exactly regarding, on World Cancer Day. What is the preventive and determination and treatment measures that they would like to make people aware of? I pass it on to Sneha.
Hi, this is Sneha Mohandas. I'm Team Madar Padai, Mayam Madar Padai. So, Makkal Needhi Mayam came up with a great initiative taking breast cancer to the grassroots level, where we are conducting a free camp for the people who can't afford, because generally this type of screening would cost close to 3,000 or 3,500. So Makkal Needhi Mayam team, Madar Padai team wants to ensure that this should be, get benefited by grassroots level people who can't afford. So we are also taking this awareness to all the nooks and corners of Chennai city, and we are also trying to conduct the same kind of awareness in entire community.
Can you introduce yourself and say a few words for that?
Yeah, sure. I am Bhuvana Seshan, part of Makkal Needhi Mayam, Madar Padai. We firmly believe that we should first make women aware of their health. That is what is required, especially when the word breast comes. It's associated with a cliche. So we need to break that first in the women's mind, so that they can go and talk to somebody if they see any problem anywhere, in their body. So that is the basic thing that we need to do. At the moment, create awareness and break that barrier where women cannot talk to people about it, to their family, So that is what we are trying to do.
Thank you. And would you like to address our audience regarding what exactly?
I'm Jyotirmaya. I'm part of this community Mayam, Mayam Madar Padai. This is such a wonderful initiative. Even educated people are not even ready to open up and talk about it or spread awareness about it. So we have to start talking about it a lot. So of course things have changed, but we really need a lot of change. Thank you so much.
This is the kind of awareness programs which they have been conducting. A lot of saying have been gone into it, and they are making it a point to reach out to people. But they're conducting a lot of workshops and screening awareness and pink ribbon talks and runs and other things. So we wish you all the best, wherein you're creating a lot of awareness, and you're addressing the college students, as well as making it feel to the people that yes, this awareness could reach out to the common person also. And wherein it comes to on World Cancer Day, this is the best gift we can give it to the society. So wonderful initiative.
Thank you. I would like to take this opportunity to thank India Turns Pink for supporting this initiative.
Thank you very much. All the very best. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much. 40 வயது ஒரு பெண் 35 சொல்லலாம் தாண்டியாச்சு அப்படின்னா இது கண்டிப்பா வருஷம் ஒரு வாட்டி நம்ம டாக்டர் கிட்ட போய் மேமோகிராம் எடுத்து செக் பண்ணிக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி மாதம் ஒரு முறை சுய பரிசோதனை நம்ம வீட்டில் செஞ்சுக்கலாம். அது எப்படி நீங்க எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஐ எம் நாட் குவாலிஃபைட் டு சே தட். பட் அதோடைய முக்கியத்துவம் என்ன அப்படிங்கறத பர்சனலி நானே உணர்ந்தேன். இந்த சுய பரிசோதனையை நான் கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து செஞ்சுக்கிட்டதால தான் எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் என்னோட breast கிட்ட தெரிய ஆரம்பிச்சு இம்மீடியட்லி நான் டாக்டரை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணேன். இன்ஃபேக்ட் டாக்டரை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்தியா டர்ன்ஸ் பிங்க் ஆனந்த் குமார் சாரை தான் நான் வந்து முதல்ல காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணேன். அவர் எனக்கு ஒரு ஆங்காலஜிஸ்ட் ரெஃபர் பண்ணார். ஸோ அதுவும் கமிலா மேம் வந்து எனக்கு கொடுத்த ஒரு எமோஷனல் சப்போர்ட், இது ரெண்டும் தான் எவ்வளோ இது முக்கியம். நம்ம ஏர்லியாக பார்த்துட்டோம்னா, இஃப் வி கேட்ச் இட் ஏர்லியர் தேன் ஏர்லி, இது வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்லி 100% க்யூரபிள் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம எல்லாருமே தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்.